Hi, my name is Tim, and I am here to tell you about this product that we received. It is MIG wire for a MIG that has a flux core wire. So there's two types of MIGs. You either get it with flux core or you have a gas MIG. This one is for the flux core. Now it comes in at about 2.51 pounds. They ship it, they say it weighs 2.2, but it is over the 2.2 deal. When you open up the box, you can see that it comes in this plastic seal container. The idea is to keep the wire from going bad or from oxidation happening. So when we open this, we have our wire. Now the wire comes in different millimeters, so you need to figure out what millimeter wire that you're running to be able to make sure that your tip is correct with the MIG. Open it up, and then we're going to go ahead and put it in our MIG welder. Get it to where it gets past your feed point. Make sure that you have drag on your spool. So once you get the wire started through here, through your feeder, then go ahead and feed it all the way through. Make sure that you get the right amount of drag. And when it gets out to the top, there it is. Put your tip back on, like so. Like I said, make sure that you have the right tip for the right millimeter or gauge thickness of wire. There are different types. Put your cover back on, dress it up, and then you're ready to weld. So if you're looking for a wire that's really good in your MIG welder, really easy to work with and everything else, this is the one that I would use.